ride along.
Basically been doing a lot more autocrossing in the past couple of years. As far as events go, we're a big sponsor, and it's cool to be able to autocross a truck. When most people, when they say autocross, they think of a Camaro, Chevelle. Well, we improved the trucks enough to be able to put them on the track and autocross them, and Texas is a good opportunity for that.